What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix audio issues in Battlefield 6. If you're dealing with problems like no sound at all, muffled voices, missing gunfire or vehicle audio cutting out, it's usually cause the game is using the wrong audio setup for your speakers or headphones. The first thing you wanna do is open your settings and go straight into the audio section. Once you're in there, look for the sound system option. By default, it might be set to auto or even to 5.1 or 7.1 surround sound. If you are not actually using a surround system, this can cause sounds to disappear or feel muted. So switch your sound system over to stereo. This works best for normal speakers, gaming headsets and pretty much any standard setup. You'll often notice an immediate improvement once you change this. Next, take a look at the default mix settings. Changing these to war tapes can help restoring missing effects and give you a more immersive mix overall. A lot of players find that vehicle sounds and gunfire becomes clearer once that is enabled. You can also adjust the stereo balance if one side feels louder or quieter than it should. This is helpful if your audio is leaning too far to the left or right, or if you think one of your speaker isn't outputting correctly. After you make these changes, back out and test your audio in game. Most of the time, this adjustment will fix the sound problems right away. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.